Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. I'm using a few new products in this video. One is an eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. It's called the Mercury Retrograde. It is a very fancy palette. Let me show you the colors. These are the colors in the palette. Of course, I started in the pink, so I'm looking forward to getting into the rest. It's got a very nice mirror, which I never thought I really cared about mirrors and palettes, but I found it so much easier to put on my eyeshadow having a mirror up close. Like even if you're sitting by your vanity and you're putting your makeup on, you're still never getting up that close. Like you can't really get up as close as putting your mirror in front of your face. That's the one that I used on my lid, and I used it with my fingers. I was very surprised at how easily it applied and how well it came through on camera. I also use lashes I've had for almost 4 years. When I first started filming YouTube videos, I had bought a whole bunch of lashes from this brand, Nubounsom, because I really loved their Bella lashes. I never used these because they were the most dramatic, the fluffiest, the biggest, the most voluminous of all the Nubounsom lashes that I had, and I was intimidated. I'm not gonna lie, I was intimidated. Finally, I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna use it. If I don't like it, I'll just throw it away. And lo and behold, I end up loving them. A lot of hair on these lashes, and that's what gives it an appearance of my eyes being very dark, but the way they are designed, it doesn't look overly dramatic, you know? So I really like the way they came out. I had to trim them quite a bit. I'm also using this Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the color FOMO by the brand Hola. Hola Neon. That's the name of the brand. I got this in an Ipsy bag, and I love that it's a matte lipstick. I really think that it's long lasting and it will give you a much more of a special occasion effect when you use a matte liquid lipstick. Nothing stays on as long and nothing just defines your lips as well. Guys, a wonderful 2020, and if you haven't done your goals yet for the new year, or your resolutions, or whatever you want to call it, if you like an idea of the 5-25 rule by Warren Buffett, he suggests writing down a list of 25 goals that are important to you, and then circling the ones that are your top 5. Sounds simple enough, but then he wants you to eliminate the other 20. Please put them off until you've accomplished your top 5. And that is really what makes this activity like really good, because it really helps you to focus on what are the things that are most important to you, and it kind of takes a burden off of you, because you're not just going to spread yourself so thin that you end up accomplishing none of your goals or very few of them. So if you're just working on 5 at a time, you know exactly what you need to be doing every day, and you're happier in the long run, less stressed out, and probably going to accomplish more goals overall over the years as they go by than if you were to be focusing on the 25 goals that you want to accomplish. I'll link the article down below if you want some more tips on that idea, but I hope you have a wonderful New Year's Eve, however you're celebrating, and best wishes for a wonderful, happy, prosperous 2020. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notifications button for new videos when they're posted. And now let's get on with the tutorial.